Alright guys, how's it going? Today we ran into a problem where my window no longer goes up. When I try to make it go up, it just goes and spins, it goes bzzz, and it doesn't come up. So it's gonna be a few things, could be the regulator just completely took a dump. I think the motor should be still good because I can still hear it go, still hear it whine. Either that or maybe there's a bolt that goes onto the rail. Might have just come off. But we'll see right now. So first thing we gotta do is remove this trim right here. We pull it off and there should be some screws in here. And I believe that should be it. There might be one under here. We might have to pry it open. But I'm gonna show you guys right now after I do it. Alright, so here it is off. You can see, off. So basically there's one screw right here. One screw right here, and there's a cap right here, but there's another screw right there. Once you do that, everything should be off, and now we're gonna start ripping, or not ripping, but prying this foam right here. Alright, so here is the panel off all the way. New window regulator. Alright, first thing we're taking off is the motor right here. It takes 3 screws, one right there, there, and there, and the clip comes right off. And this is the problem right here. So you see the problem right here is this thing is basically all donezo now. This is what usually goes off because it's a plastic piece. You can see it's like kind of rounded off right there. Probably broke or something. But now we got to remove it. So there's a few bolts. This one right here. This one. And I think 2 in the bottom, if I remember correctly. Yep. Bottom. And here. Alright guys, I don't know why my video wasn't recording, but I basically replaced it already, so I'm gonna run you guys through it real quick. What I did, like I said, you remove the bolt that goes here, 1 here, 2 down here, and then 1 right here, and you fish it out through here. It should come out like that. Now you just tighten it right here, here, put the motor back on here, and here. Oh, and then you remove these 2 from the windows that go back here. Alright, so in case you were wondering how I put it in, it just comes out through here. I mean, you put it in through this hole right here. You just feed it on through, and then just line up this stud right here, and this stud right here to these holes where you remove the screws from. And same thing on this side, hole right there. And this one has 2 on the bottom, right there. And then, if I'm doing this with 1 hand, you could probably do it with 2, but you just line up the holes. As you can see, lined up, you connect the motor up, put the screws in, put these nuts on, since we fed it through. Alright, so, what you want to do next is put in the glass, like I did right there. And if you guys can see through that hole right there, this little hole, and there's like a star. Well basically on each side there's one of these, and then this is what holds the window and squishes it to the this frame right here where the slides. So what you want to do is remove, or I mean put this in, but through the back, and you'll see it kind of sandwiches. I'll demonstrate on this side. You can see where the glass rides is actually on this like carrying thing. If you can see right there, that's where this thing will sandwich the glass and these 2 plastic brackets to what actually slides up and down. However, I think this one won't fit right now because it's too high. But you guys get the point. It's just like a regular threaded bolt. It just happens to be in the star. So we're gonna see if we can fit it like this. So as you can see now, we dropped the window down a little bit to where like the belly of the door is. So now we should ideally have enough space to put this bolt and sandwich it in the back. Only thing is lining it up, which I think should have lined up right around there. So you can see I'm just turning it just like this, I can feel it tightening in, getting tight. So we just keep turning, and this is what you gotta do to loosen it up or take it off, just in reverse order. Like I said, the video somehow got deleted and corrupted, and I was not about to do it again. So you basically get the idea. So now we go back on this side and tighten this one, which it should be tight already. So now that they're both snug and tight, we can test it to see if it goes up and down. You can see, went down perfectly. See if it goes up. And goes up perfectly. There it is. That's all it is. Did not come with a new motor, but the motor was okay. It was just the cables themselves, the regulator itself broke. So that's it. Now we just put everything back together, and that's basically it. Pretty easy. Just take some time. But thanks for watching.